to Vlogmas Day 13. Well, hello my beautiful friends. We took a little break because a lot was going on the last 2 days, so honestly I didn't feel like filming, but now we are going to go to our first movie. They have free movies at our local movie theater and we're gonna go see Arthur Christmas, so let's do this. The movies. That was eventful. We did not see the whole movie. The two little ones started bouncing around like 1 hour in, which is fine. There was quite a bit of credits, so I think next time we're gonna skip the credits and just get there right at the movie, and hopefully they can hang out the whole movie. But they love the snacks, they love the popcorn, the candy. We never drink any type of like juice at home. All they do is water. So they loved the fact that they were able to drink juice. They were so excited about that. We had some high C, and now we are getting ready for my birthday party. So today is my birthday party, and I decided to do a cookie swap birthday party. So all the guests are gonna bring some cookies, and we are going to cook up a storm here. We're gonna make 3 of them from packaging because I don't have time to make a whole bunch from scratch. I found these at Aldi's. This one is a soft baked chocolate crinkle mix. It looked so good. I'm excited about this one. We also got your traditional gingerbread mix, and we also got just plain old sugar cookie for the kids with some decoration accessories like red and green icing and sprinkles, which they took the sprinkles. Oh my gosh, we need to find them. I found them. They like to run away with the icing and this. They're so excited. But the cookies that we're making from scratch are going to be oatmeal raisin cookies because my husband loves these and the kids really like them, and it's semi-healthy because it has oatmeal, you know? So let's get started. For this, we're definitely using the mixer. It's just so much faster and quicker. For these cookies, I actually got this book a long time ago. I think I got it at like Ross or something like that. And it's called Cookies Recipes for Gifting and Sharing. It was like a holiday book. I loved the cover, but I also loved how most of the cookies in here have pictures of what it actually is gonna come out looking like. So that's why I bought it, and the recipes are really, really easy. These are like super simple to do. I'll try to find a link for it on Amazon and leave it down below because I got this, like I said, a long time ago. But yeah, like look at this, Hawaiian bars. It has like so many delicious recipes. So good. And the pictures are just amazing. Yeah, this is definitely a win. So let's start. The one that I use for this specific recipe is not a oatmeal raisin recipe. It's actually the basic oatmeal cookies because half of my kids like oatmeal, because half of my kids like raisins and the other half does not. I am part of the no raisins in my cookies, as well as a couple of my kids, but some of them like it, and my husband, he definitely does. So I'm gonna use this, and then we're going to split the whole batch and put half raisin and half non-raisin.
Lines are busting out the door, Christmas songs in every store. Can't stand to hear one more, please won't you make it stop. Snow is piled 5 feet high, dog ate the pecan pie. Hurry up, store-bought is fine, Christmas time again. They say it's so pretty, that time in New York City. I say cold and gritty, packed in like sardines. Got a flat on the interstate. Mama warned me, don't be late. Pretty please save me a plate. Christmas time again.
Okay, so it's pretty mixed. Now is when I go ahead and split it. So I take out a little bit of, no, this is valuable. 5-second rule, right? This is our taste test it. Make sure it's good. Half of this, and then the other half, we're gonna add the raisins. And the raisins, I kind of eyeball it, I'm not gonna lie. So, it's about like 1/4 of a cup. No, 1/3 of a cup.
Uncle Eddie's new friend Jane.
Sister's back with what's his name?
All together once again.
Now once a year is plenty.
Laughter bouncing off the wall.
Hear the cackle down the hall. Too loud to think at all. Christmas time again.
Wow. This ended up being a lot of cookies. So we got a whole bunch of raisin. We still have half of our oat ones. And then we'll start on the sugar ones, I think, next. Because we need to decorate those. It's 3:46, birthday party's at 5.
If December's got you down, take the time and look around. You will find there's love abound. Christmas time again. Hear the jolly jingle sound. Christmas time again. Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas.
You guys, this dough tastes so good, but it does feel like a legit brownie. I mean, they're like soft baked cookie mix. It feels like a brownie. I don't know, it came out, I think 12 cookies. I hope that's enough. They're pretty big. It says to make 2 tablespoon cookies. That is humongous. So hopefully it'll be okay. Whoa.
Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Oh my goodness. That was a lot of cookies, you guys. There was so many. I did way too many. I think next time I do this, I'm just gonna make one cookie and that's it, because there was 1,000 cookies. I kid you not. I even bought little boxes for the guests to take home and put cookies. Their boxes were like full to the brim. Like, it was awesome. I really enjoyed this party. It was such a good theme. If you want to even have just a holiday party where you do a cookie swap, it's great. A lot of people made their own cookies. Everyone brought different cookies. Some even bought cookies, which is totally fine, but it was great because there was just such a huge variety. The kids loved it. I loved it. I mean, it was such a really fun time. The hot chocolate is definitely a plus. The kids absolutely loved the hot chocolate with marshmallows, and the food that we had was perfect, just enough. Also, this punch, oh, they took it away, but the punch, so good. I think I'm gonna try to make it again for like Christmas, so I'll try to vlog that and let you guys know the recipe, but it was so good and so simple to do. It was a great time. We all sang happy birthday. We had cupcakes. The cupcakes, oh my gosh, it was so big from Publix. Amazing. They did such an amazing job, over the top with the sprinkles. Like, it was so cute. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time, bye.